Ezviz C6N is a smart Wi-Fi pan and tilt camera that defines itself as it got you covered all day and all night.
Some of its key features includes smart night vision with smart IR up to 10 meter,
Motorized pan and tilt 340-degree visual coverage,
full HD resolution of 1080p, sleep mode for privacy protection, motion detection and smart tracking, two-way communication, view from anywhere, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, micro SD card slot, supports up to 256 GB. The feature of smart tracking enables to detect a moving object. The C6N is smart enough to automatically track its motion while alerting you with an image in real time. The two-way communication helps to talk to your loved ones and deter unwelcome strangers. Using Ezviz app in your mobile device, you can easily and conveniently enjoy communication wherever you might be. Protects your privacy. With one tap of your Ezviz app on your mobile device, you can enable C6N sleep mode, giving you privacy when you need it. Save your recordings with flexible and secured solution. The C6N comes with the built-in micro SD card slot that can store up to 256 GB of recorded footage. You can also save your image to Ezviz Cloud for additional backup. With the Ezviz app, you can capture, save, protect and share what's valuable to you.
The application scenario for C6N are inside home to monitor kids and pets, inside home to monitor and communicate with elderly parents, in office to monitor staff and instruct them, inside ICU ward to monitor 24/7, inside hospital to keep track on every activity of patient, inside restaurant and shops.